Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Ranger transmission fluid. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and using wheel chocks for safety. Gather tools and fresh transmission fluid and warm the vehicle briefly to thin the fluid. Follow each step carefully to avoid spills and cross-threading. If you feel unsure, stop and consult a professional mechanic for help. Start by warming the transmission for a few minutes, then shut the engine and secure the vehicle. Position a drain pan under the transmission and slowly loosen the drain plug to avoid splashing. Allow all old fluid to drain and inspect the plug and magnet for metal debris. Replace any worn gaskets and clean the area before reinstalling the plug to ensure a proper seal and prevent leaks. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart navigation to keep your garage and home tidy while you work on projects. It saves time and reduces dust that can affect parts, and you can find the link and deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. After the drain, replace the filter if your Ranger has one and install a new gasket before bolting the pan back on. Refill using the exact fluid type specified by Ford and add fluid gradually, checking the level at operating temperature with the engine running and transmission in park. Take a short, cautious test drive, then recheck the fluid level and inspect for leaks, topping off as necessary for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.